How to fix Microsoft OneDrive not uploading files. So if you want to fix your Microsoft OneDrive not uploading files, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, now you need to go with your OneDrive. And as you can see that you will have this kind of interface. Now, if something is not uploading, or if you're not being able to create a folder or upload something on your OneDrive, and if you're facing this problem, then first thing you need to do is make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to just remove this from your tab and then again start it, or again refresh your page, and after refreshing, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to check your storage. So you just need to simply go with settings, which is on the top right, and from the settings you will have options right here. Go with your options and you will have manage storage on the first option. Under that, if your storage is full, as you can see that I've just used 1% of my storage, but if you have 0% storage, then you might find this kind of problem. You just need to simply go with your photos files or your cloud photos and files, and you need to delete some space. After deleting, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last solution is you need to go with the upper right, which has that profile option. And from your profile, you need to just go with sign out and then again sign into your account. After restarting your PC, then your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.